Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw a little bunny holding an Easter egg. So grab your drawing tools, find a comfy spot, and let's start drawing. Don't worry about being perfect, just have fun with it. Are you ready? Let's dive in. First, let's draw the bunny's face. Look at that! Great start! Next, let's give our bunny two long, floppy ears. One ear up, and another one. High in the sky. Our bunny is starting to listen now. Now for the body. Let's draw the right arm first. Followed by the left arm. Make it look like it's hugging something special. Let's draw a big, beautiful egg right in the bunny's arms. Wow, look at that giant egg. What do you think is inside? Let's make it nice and round. Next, let's add two little feet at the bottom. Hop, hop, hop. Draw two cute ovals for the feet so our bunny can jump around. And don't forget the fluffy, round tail. Time for the face. Let's start with two shiny eyes. Twinkle, twinkle. Make them bright and happy. Our bunny is looking at you. Draw a cute little nose and a tiny mouth. A little button nose, and a sweet smile. Our bunny is so happy to see you. Now, add some whiskers on both cheeks. Zop, zop, zop. 3 on the left, 3 on the right. Now our bunny can feel the breeze. Finally, let's decorate our Easter egg with fun patterns. I'm drawing some polka dots. You can add stripes or stars too. Be creative. And our sketch is done. Now it's time to bring it to life with colors. Let's go! Use black for the eyes. Color them in carefully. See how they sparkle now? So cute! Use pink for the rosy cheeks. And the little mouth. Now, let's use orange or light brown for the whole body, starting with the head. Take your time here, no need to rush. Smooth strokes make the bunny look so soft. Keep coloring the rest of the body. Doing great! Stay inside the lines if you can, but most importantly, have fun. Don't rush, just enjoy the coloring. Slow and steady does it. You're doing an amazing job, little artist. Next, use dark brown for the inside of the ears. Adding a bit of shadow makes the ears look real. Just a little bit here and there. Let's color the egg. Use blue for the background, but be sure to leave the circles white. Careful around the dots. It's like a puzzle. Blue like the beautiful sky. Then, use yellow for the patterns on the egg, and we're all finished. Add that sunny yellow, and voila! Our masterpiece is complete. Yay! We did it! Our cute Easter bunny is finished. It looks wonderful. Great job, everyone! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.